2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, auxiliary input. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.